Your request on Temu was declined as they detected an unusual activity. How can you solve this problem? Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video I'll be showing you what you can do if you are notified with this notification on Temu. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Open up the Temu application, then go to the U option on the bottom prompt. After that, select the gear icon on the top right corner, after which your settings menu will open up. Here you can go to the option called Account Security, after which it will open up. Then you can add in your mobile number in order to make your account more legitimate and verified. After you've tapped it in, simply press confirm. And if this doesn't solve your issue, you can go backwards and add in the Authenticator app as well. Simply press on Authenticator app and then tap on continue. If this doesn't solve your problem as well, simply open the app info for Temu application and then press on the option called Clear Cache or Clear Data on the bottom right prompt. Simply press on Clear All Data or Clear Cache, and in order to ensure that you've saved all of these settings, simply reboot your phone and hopefully that will solve all of your problems. And there you go. That is what you can do if your Temu application notifies you with your request was declined as we detected unusual activity. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel.